The ASS prime pipe weld purging system by Holzer ASS is used for the subsequent welding of branch connections onto existing pipelines. It provides an extremely fast, gas-saving and process-reliable purging solution directly at the welding point, ideal for extending existing systems. Preparing the pipe weld purge unit is incredibly simple. The two purge bladders are inserted one after the other through the branch connection into the existing pipe and positioned on either side of the welding point. A smaller diameter pipe pushed over the unit protects and bundles the hoses, while a pipe quick clamp securely fixes the system in place. Covering the pipe openings and the weld seam with aluminium tape can help regulate the gas flow precisely. In the next step, the purge bladders are inflated with approximately 20 to 25 litres. This creates a precisely defined pipe purging chamber directly beneath the branch connection, eliminating the need to flood the entire pipe section. The inert gas is then introduced through the hoses. For rapid impact purging, the chamber can initially be purged with up to 50 litres of argon before the gas flow is reduced to approximately 25 litres for the welding process. Integrated sintered metal inserts ensure an even distribution of the gas and controlled displacement of the residual oxygen upwards, allowing the weld seam to be produced cleanly and without oxidation all the way around. Once the welding process has been successfully completed, the purge bladders are deflated, the pipe quick clamp is released, and the pipe weld purge unit is removed through the branch connection, one component at a time. The result is a perfectly purged weld zone and a clean, oxide-free weld route.